In this video, I will be telling you how to create a custom bottom navigation bar in the Android Studio. For that, the process is very simple and easy. If you're new to the channel, make sure that you hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. Like the video, share the video, and comment under the video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So I will be providing the developer Android and Android Studio link in the description below so you guys can check it out. And now let's dive right into the video. So these are some steps that you need to follow in order to get the work done. So number one step is use bottom navigation view, and in the bottom navigation view widget in your layout XML file, customize the look, and after that handle item selection. In your activity, use this particular command to handle item clicks, and then style with custom XML. One step which is optional is use custom views. If you need more complex design, use a frame layout or linear layout with a custom navigation item using just a detector or one-click listener for the interaction. So this is how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.